Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David, and we are so happy you are here with us today.
We really are. So I have a question for you, a simple question, before we start.
Ooh, I love questions.
Have you ever made a mistake at work? Maybe you sent the wrong email. Maybe you forgot something important. Maybe you said the wrong thing in a meeting and then thought, oh no.
Oh yes, many times. Many times.
Me too, David. Me too. And here is the most important thing I want you to hear today, right at the beginning. Making a mistake is completely normal.
Completely normal. For everyone, even for your boss.
Especially for your boss sometimes. Today's episode is all about small mistakes at work and how to talk about them in English. Calmly, politely, naturally.
And by the end of today, you will have real English phrases that you can actually use. Words that help you feel confident, not embarrassed.
So stay with us. Get comfortable, maybe get a cup of tea, and let's begin. Okay, David, before we do anything else, I want to tell a story.
A story? I love stories. What happened?
Something embarrassing. Something that happened to me at a real job.
Tell me everything.
Okay, so a few years ago, I was working in an office. It was only my second week. New job, new people, very exciting, very nervous.
Oh, the second week. You still don't really know anyone. You're trying so hard to look professional.
Exactly. You want everyone to think, oh, Anna is so good at her job. So one morning, my manager asked me to send an important document to our whole team.
Okay.
I worked really hard on it. I checked it 2 times. I pressed send, done. And then, 5 minutes later, my manager came to my desk. Very quietly, she said, Anna, you sent it to the wrong team.
No.
I sent it to the finance team. People who had absolutely nothing to do with our project.
Oh no, Anna.
I wanted to disappear. My face went completely red. I said, oh my goodness, I am so sorry. And my manager, she just smiled and said, don't worry about it. It happens. Just send it to the right team now.
That's it? No big drama?
That's it. And you know what? Those 2 little words, it happens, felt like a warm hug. All the embarrassment just went away a little.
2 words. So simple, so powerful.
And that is exactly what today is about. Learning those small, powerful phrases. The ones that make difficult moments easier.
All right, everyone. Now we're going to do something fun. Anna and I are going to act out a real workplace conversation.
I will be playing a character called Sophie. She is a helpful, friendly coworker.
And I will be playing Marcus, a new employee who made a small mistake with a presentation.
Listen carefully. We'll talk about all the phrases after. Ready, David?
Ready. Let's go.
And action. Marcus, hey, do you have a second?
Yeah, of course. What's going on?
I just wanted to check something with you. I saw the slide you shared for tomorrow's meeting.
Oh, is something wrong?
Not really wrong, but I think the date on slide 2 might be off. It says the 14th, but the meeting is on the 15th.
Wait, seriously? Let me look. Oh, wow, you're completely right. I don't know how I missed that.
These things happen. It's a small thing.
I feel terrible. This is such an important meeting.
Hey, don't worry. No one has seen it yet. You can fix it right now.
Yeah, you're right. I'll fix it right away. Thank you so much for catching that.
Of course, that's what we're here for. Take your time with the rest of the slides, too.
Will do. I really appreciate it, Sophie.
You've got this. The presentation looks great, by the way. Okay. And scene.
That was fun. I liked being Marcus.
You are very convincing. You looked genuinely embarrassed.
A little too easy for me, honestly.
Okay, everyone, let's talk about what you just heard. Let's go through the phrases together, nice and slowly.
First, Sophie says, "Do you have a second?"
A second here means a very short time, just one moment. It's a polite, gentle way to get someone's attention at work.
You can also say, "Do you have a minute?" Same idea. It doesn't mean a real 60 seconds. It just means, "Can I talk to you quickly?"
Try saying it now, quietly, like a friend. Do you have a second? Go ahead, say it out loud.
Beautiful. Now, Marcus replies, "What's going on?"
What's going on means what is happening? What do you need? It's very casual, very warm. It's the kind of thing you say to a colleague you feel comfortable with.
Much more relaxed than, "How can I help you?" which sounds a little formal. What's going on is easy, natural, friendly.
Then Sophie says, I just wanted to check something with you.
This is a beautiful phrase. Notice the word just. I just wanted to check.
That little word just makes the sentence softer, smaller. Without just, I wanted to check something, it sounds a little serious.
With just, I just wanted to check. It's light. It's kind. It tells the other person, this is not a big problem. Don't worry.
And then Sophie says, I think the date might be off. Two soft words here. I think and might be. These are very important.
Sophie doesn't say, the date is wrong. That feels hard, a little cold.
She says, I think it might be off. It gives Marcus space. It's gentle. It's respectful.
When you point out a mistake to someone, try using I think and might be. It changes everything. It keeps the relationship warm.
And Marcus, he's honest. He says, you're completely right. I don't know how I missed that. No excuses, no but, just honest acceptance.
That is very professional and actually very brave. Saying you're right takes confidence.
Then Sophie says, these things happen. There it is, our beautiful phrase.
It happens. These things happen. Both are perfect. They mean this is normal. This is human. Don't be so hard on yourself.
And Sophie says something else very kind. No one has seen it yet. She reminds Marcus it's not too late. The problem is still small.
That kind of reassurance is so helpful. When someone is stressed about a mistake, just remind them, it's okay, we can fix it.
Then Marcus says, I'll fix it right away. Quick, clear, responsible. He doesn't say, maybe later. He takes action immediately.
That phrase shows you are reliable. I'll fix it right away. People really appreciate that.
And Marcus thanks Sophie. Thank you so much for catching that. Catching that, like catching a ball before it falls. You catch a mistake before it becomes a big problem. It's a lovely visual phrase.
If anyone ever helps you find a mistake, say, thanks for catching that. They will feel so good, so appreciated.
And at the very end, Sophie says, take your time with the rest of the slides.
Take your time means don't rush. Go at your own pace. Do it well.
And Marcus replies, will do. Short, positive. It means, yes, I will do exactly that.
Will do. Practice that one. So easy, so useful.
Okay, practice time. This is my favorite part.
Mine too. Okay, everyone. 3 short situations. For each one, think about what you would say. Then we'll show you.
You can also pause the video and practice out loud by yourself. Saying the words out loud is the best way to make them feel natural.
Ready? Situation 1. You want to talk to a colleague about something small. You don't want to interrupt or seem too serious. What's your opening line?
You say, hey, do you have a second?
Simple, warm, perfect. Situation 2. Your coworker helped you find an error in your work. What do you say?
You say, oh wow, thanks so much for catching that. I really appreciate it.
Grateful, natural, lovely. Situation 3, and this one is important. Your coworker made a small mistake and they feel really embarrassed. They look stressed. What do you say to help them feel better?
You say, hey, don't worry about it. These things happen. Let's just fix it together.
Say that with me, everyone. Hey, don't worry about it. These things happen. Let's fix it together.
One more time, slowly. Hey, don't worry about it. These things happen. Let's fix it together.
Perfect. Be that coworker. Be the Sophie in someone's difficult moment.
David, story time. Your turn.
Do I really have to?
You really have to. Tell them what happened at the coffee shop.
Okay. This is a little embarrassing. So, I was having a normal day. I wanted coffee. I walked into what I thought was a coffee shop.
What do you mean what you thought was?
I was looking at my phone, not paying attention. I walked in, went straight to the counter, smiled at the person behind it, and said, very confidently, "One large coffee, please."
That sounds completely fine so far.
She looked at me, and then she said, very kindly, "I'm so sorry. We don't actually serve coffee here."
What?
I was in a tea shop, a tea-only shop. There was a big sign outside, the Tea Garden. Beautiful sign. I did not see it.
How did you not see the sign?
Phone! I was on my phone.
Oh, David.
But listen, she was so kind about it. She said, "I think there might be a coffee place just next door." She used our phrase. "I think there might be a..."
So polite, so soft.
I said, "Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I must have walked into the wrong place." And she just smiled and said, "Don't worry at all. It happens all the time."
It happens. Even in a tea shop.
Even in a tea shop. And the lesson is, this phrase works everywhere. At work, in shops, in tea gardens. Wherever you make a small mistake, "it happens" is always there for you.
Like a good friend.
Exactly like a good friend.
I have one too. Mine happened in a supermarket.
Oh, tell me.
I was buying groceries, apples, milk, the usual things. I put everything on the counter, the cashier scanned everything, and then I opened my bag and realized no wallet. Left it at home.
Oh no, and there were people behind you?
3 people, all looking at me. I felt my face go completely red. I said to the cashier, "I am so sorry. I forgot my wallet. I don't know what to do."
What did she say?
She was so calm. She said, "Don't worry at all. I can set your bags aside right here. Go home, get your wallet, and come back whenever you're ready."
She was so kind.
And then the man behind me in the line, complete stranger, he said, "It happens to everyone, love. Don't worry."
Everyone is using our phrase.
I know. And honestly, those words from a stranger made me feel so much better. I went home, got my wallet, came back. The cashier smiled like nothing happened. It was fine.
And the lesson is, people are usually very kind when we make small mistakes, because they have made small mistakes too.
We are all human. We are all doing our best.
All right, everyone, let's listen to our workplace conversation one more time. Anna and I are going back into character.
This time, you know all the phrases. You understand the meaning. So just relax. Listen for the kindness. Notice how simple and natural the language is.
Here we go.
As Sophie. "Hey, Marcus. Hey, do you have a second?
Yeah, of course. What's going on?
I just wanted to check something with you. I saw the slide you shared for tomorrow's meeting."
Oh, is something wrong?
Not really wrong, but I think the date on slide 2 might be off. It says the 14th, but the meeting's on the 15th.
Wait, seriously? Let me look. Oh, wow, you're completely right. I don't know how I missed that.
These things happen. It's a small thing.
I feel terrible. This is such an important meeting.
Hey, don't worry. No one has seen it yet. You can fix it right now.
Yeah, you're right. I'll fix it right away. Thank you so much for catching that.
Of course. That's what we're here for. Take your time with the rest of the slides, too.
Will do. I really appreciate it, Sophie.
You've got this. The presentation looks great, by the way. Did it sound different the second time?
I hope so. More familiar, right? More comfortable.
That is how language works. The first time you hear something, it's new. The second time, it starts to feel like yours.
And the 10th time, you just say it, naturally, without thinking.
That is the goal. Real, natural, confident English.
So let's do one final review, everything we learned today.
Do you have a second? A warm, polite way to start a conversation at work.
What's going on? A friendly, casual reply when someone wants to talk.
I just wanted to check. A gentle way to bring up a small concern.
I think it might be soft words that make a difficult message kinder.
These things happen, and it happens. The most comforting words in the English language.
I'll fix it right away. A confident, responsible response to a mistake.
Thanks for catching that. A warm thank you when someone helps you.
Take your time. Kind words that tell someone not to rush.
And will do. Short, positive, and perfectly natural.
That is a lot, and all of it is simple. All of it is real.
Now, the most important thing, the thing I want you to carry with you after this video.
Tell them.
Making a mistake does not mean you are bad at English. It does not mean you are bad at your job. It means you are a person, and every person makes mistakes, every single day.
The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to communicate, to be clear, to be kind, to solve problems together.
When you say it happens to someone, you give them a gift, a real gift. You say, you are human, and that is okay.
And when someone says it to you, accept it, breathe, and move forward.
You are learning, you are growing, and we are so genuinely proud of you for being here.
Okay, before we say goodbye, we have a little challenge for you.
In the comments below, tell us, have you ever made a small mistake at work or at school or anywhere, like David at the tea garden?
Please, someone tell me I'm not the only one.
Just type the word mistake in the comments. One word, and we'll know you watched the whole episode and you're part of the Fluento family.
And if this episode helped you, if you learned even one new phrase today, please give us a like. It really, truly helps us keep making these videos for you.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, the button is right there. We make new episodes every day. Real English, real life, real situations. Just like this one.
We are here for you every single step of the way.
All right, everyone. That is all for today. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
You are doing something really wonderful by learning English. It is not easy, but you are doing it, and that matters more than you know.
Remember, mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are steps, and every step takes you forward.
Keep listening, keep practicing, keep speaking.
We will see you in the next episode. Take care of yourselves.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.